Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Red Elevator. I'm Nina Takesh. This is a red elevator and today we are going blue. That's right, we are finally going to show you Spring 2022 Ikea. You asked for it, so let's do it. Follow me. I love mid-century sofas, and this one is a great one, and it looks like it's from Poliform. Never forget frames on your walls. These are shadow boxes. They're great. I can't say enough about their mid-century pendants. All their lighting is really fantastic, matte black, and they look quite nice, especially when you have framed art that you can float on walls. These frames are A+, very well priced, as are these bar carts that you can easily roll around your kitchen or style them in any way to have more additional space in your kitchen. Let's not forget lighting, you guys. IKEA has smart lighting. You push it from the touch of a button and you're able to get all of your lights on. Their scalloped hanging pendant, as you can see here, is really great, and I can't say enough about their kids furniture line. This adorable table is very sturdy. You can sit here, you can have a moment with your kids, and when it comes to organization, this is the bomb. I love labeling batteries, photos, objects, cables, and just stacking them up and knowing where everything is. I found these adorable little stools in the kids section, and I really think that they're great. They're sturdy, and they're even great for adults if you just want to put your foot on them. Definitely a great buy. These adorable magnets that are in the shape of teardrops in pink are very cute, and I stumbled upon these great coffee tables in the mid-century section. As you can see, I'm really into them, and was probably going to take 2 of those home, but ran out of time. This blue sofa was very luxurious. I was very surprised to see something that's so rich and so luscious, and I especially love the feet. They are what look like wood, and so is the POUF, where you can float them and put your feet on. And then I found a green luscious fabric, which is great for fall, great for the natural home. And these are slip-covered chairs and sofas. I really thought they were elevated. Okay, outdoor, I love outdoor. And these are actually quite nice because, as you guys know, rattan or faux rattan always looks nice in this natural color with this chair. I have to say I'm very impressed with this outdoor seating. It's a little dated in terms of design, but I think that if you want something easy and quick, this could be, especially because everything's out of stock, this could be your go-to outdoor chair. And the table I really like. The table looks great to me, looks very mid-century. IKEA is known for their indoor faux plants. If you live in a place where you can't water, or you forget to water, this is actually a kind of a good deal for $59 and could look great in a nice pot. Not this one, a different one. Must have alert. I love these. I love these sheets. I love the pom-poms, so cute. I just want to point out how I like the organization of these items. Everyone has mason jars, and organize your items. Organize them in little mason jars, stack them, and they're gonna look great. So this is a really great idea I wanted to share with you, because this is actually a floor lamp, but if you place it next to your bed, next to the nightstands, you have the ability to use a floor lamp as an arm while you're reading. So if your wife or husband or partner or lover or whoever is lying next to you, then they don't have to be bothered by the light, and they have total control over their swing arm. This is a very inexpensive way of doing it without having to mount it onto the wall, make holes. If you're in an apartment, in a rental, this is a very high-end way to mimic these installed swing arm sconces. These lights are fun and a great way to jazz up your space. You just go jazz away. They're actually light, they're super light. I don't know what they're made of, but by the way, no one's gonna know what they're made of. They just look very expensive. I like her, she's mine. This mushroom lamp is very cute. It's glass, it's expensive. I'm telling you, this is expensive to make and it looks really good. Okay, the next absolute must-have, unbelievable. Again, they look very expensive. I think you could probably string them this way. I bet you buy them individually and you string them in different ways. Extremely elevated. There are, I bet you buy them individually and then you can just play with them and stack them. So if you have a little bit of creativity in you, I bet you could do wonders with these lights. Okay, as you guys know, I have an obsession for light and light bulbs. And look how cute these are. You just, basically it's a regular light bulb that fits into any socket. You could use it as a sconce on a wall. Basically, the object becomes essentially the light bulb. My favorite hangers on the planet are now in white. Maybe they've always been here, maybe I've never noticed, but you guys know I love these hangers. I buy them, they're all over my closet. I buy them every time I'm here, and now they're available in white. So we're not gonna do a deep dive into closets because that's a whole other episode, but get these, I love these inserts. These inserts are fantastic. There's so many of them. And you can put them in all drawers. This could be your new drawers, your new drawer system. It's this fabulous cowhide. I love layering floors with cowhide, or shall we say faux cowhide. And this is a really nice color and even throughout. I'm always looking for a good mirror, always, and I love the ones actually that have a nice profile to them. This is a nice border, which is graduated. It goes from thinner to wider. This is a great mirror, great for any room. You could even do this in a bathroom. You could do it in a living room. It really is a very universal, appealing mirror. So this is a medicine cabinet that I know that people are looking for. I find them to be actually quite useful. I do like the LED lights that are inserted on the sides. Clean, nice, and highly useful. These adorable candlesticks, a must. They're adorable. They come in a set of three different heights. A great item to own. Okay, I'm buying this immediately. I'm gonna buy this for everybody who came to film at Ikea, which is my entire team. So everybody gets a Coppola. Why? Because it makes life easier. $4.99. You get a Coppola, Justin. You get a Coppola, Ainsley. I get a Coppola. Okay, I like this a lot. I'm always organizing my files. It's tax season, you guys. I was up till midnight doing taxes, I kid you not. And it's always good to have a drawer or a little side table that helps you organize everything. You could put your printer on it. It's not offensive. It could go under the desk. Ultra cute, stylish, and very useful. Talk about the coolest thing that I have yet to see. I'm telling you, this IKEA video is going to be extremely useful because we're all either working from home or need inspiration or living this new life where visuals are really important. And this is a great way to do that. You just put this string up. Essentially, what this wire is, you hook it in and then you can have these little clips and you can create your own storyboards. You can give yourself inspiration. You could have your work log on there. Just a really great way to display art for your kids in a playroom. I mean, honestly, I could go on and on. So in my former life, I used to own a children's store and we would pay top dollar for these things. So when I see it, I gravitate towards it because I have a lot of experience in it. And this is really adorable for $29. Great for a newborn. They just sit and play for hours. We're all looking for desk chairs. They're hard to find, they're expensive. This is a good one, it looks good. It doesn't have a padded back, but you could always put a pillow. I do like her, she's a good find. This I hadn't seen before, the Tobias. It is also a really great piece. Easy to clean if you have children, no fabric. It looks really fun with these metal details here. The hardware is great. I love the fact that it's this beautiful blue color. This is a great find. This is a cute mid-century chair, the Baltzar. I like the way that it's clean and an all-around great dining chair. Thank you so much for joining me on this very fun episode of What I Love at IKEA in spring 2022. As you can see, there are so many great products to choose from, and you guys know how much I love to do a high-low. This is an opportunity to mix it up. Here's an important question. If you guys want to do a shop with me, either CB2, West Elm, or Crate & Barrel, let me know below, and the one with the most comments will definitely be chosen for my next shop with me. Thanks again for being such great subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, I am asking you please to do so now. It will definitely help the algorithm. And then finally, I will see you guys again next week on this channel, The Red Elevator.